Actually, today my topic is about linked list implementation of queue. My name is Bala Snehita. My registration number is YK19CS1222. Now I'm going to start the program. Hashtag include isostream using namespace std class node. First we have to open the function and we have to give public int data node into text node int d. And again we have to open another function and we have to give data equals to d, next is equals to null. Then void enq node into rear node into front into data. If rear equal to null, then rear equal to new not data, front equal to rear, return. Then not into n equal to new not data, rear minus greater than next is equals to n, rear equal to n. Void dq not into front not rear. If rear equal to null, count two elements in a string. Count no elements in linked queue, ends one. Return count the elements, begins deleted is. If front equal to rear, count front minus greater than data. Then we should end line 1. Delete front equal to null, rear equal to null, return. Then count front minus or less greater than data. Then we have to end line 1. Then not into temp is equals to front minus greater than text. Then delete front equal to temp. Void print not into rear, not into front. If rear equal to 0, count no elements in linked queue. Then we have to return again while front equal to rear, count front minus greater than data. Front equal to front minus greater than next. Then count equal to rear minus greater than data. Then count out and 1. In main, then we have to give for output we have to give name T Bala Snehita and registration number as YK19CS1222. Then int temp not into rear equal to null, not into front equal to null, int choice. Then again we have to give choose options from the following given below: NQ, DQ, display elements, exit, end 1. Then we have to give and we have to choose any choice. While choice is equals to 4, switch choice. Case 1, count, enter the data to be inserted, and we have to give something data. Temp, NQ, rear, front, temp, break. Case 2, DQ, front, rear, break. Case 3, count. We have to give displaying elements in linked queue, end 1. Print, rear, front, break. Default count, wrong input, try again, end 1. Then we have to give again output, we have to give in output as choose one of the options from the following below: NQ, DQ, display, exit, and we have to choose the choice. By this I completed the explanation of code, and I'm going to run the program. I got T Bala Snehita YK19CS1222. Choose one option from the ones given below: NQ, DQ, display, elements, exit. Now I'm choosing option 1 as NQ and I'm entering input as 23. Choose, again they are asking us to choose an option. Again I'm choosing 1 and again I'm giving input as 46. Again I'm choosing 1 and again I'm giving out and again I'm giving enter the data to be inside as 69. Now I'm choosing the option 2DQ, and the front element begin is deleted. 23 has been deleted. Now I'm asking to display elements 3, and my displaying elements in are 46 and 69, and I'm going to exit the program. By this I completed my program successfully and verified it.